town of Okiep. We are recording. There's a couple of trucks behind me. Let them kind of get past, I guess. What's this in the road there? Okay, I'm a courier. Okay, Okiep over there. Courier rushing to Cape Town over there. I went through a blessed speed trap. Can you believe it? Well, I mean, I wasn't caught, but just outside Okiep there. Speed limit's 100 and there they are trapping. The people going 120. It's quite entertaining. So 7 Ks to Springbok. And my turn off is 22 Ks after that. From some highway point to the turnoff. I was just checking it earlier when I had the pit stop. Almost just like Silver Mine. Ooh, let's get a view this way. Hello, Okiep. Now a beep. First bridge since Windhoek, I think. Is this still Okiep or is that now Springbok coming up? Dunno. This is 100, so let's only doing 90. Alright, 6 kilos, which must be, that must be the outskirts of Springbok up ahead. So I'll switch off until then.